I'm for the girls and the girls are for me. Why? Cause I'm me named Selfi TV. Selfi TV! Hey. On a beautiful, unforgettable Wednesday, March 23rd, 2022 in Jamaica.
Pick up Jamaica!
Erica from LA was celebrating her 30th birthday with her amazing friends.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Erica.
Turning 30 is a milestone.
Hey. Oh, so we're down. Okay.
37, 28, 29, 30.
For some people, it's a hard transition that they end up hating it. But the birthday girl, Erica, was happy.
Hooray! That's a wine.
We had so much fun from in the daytime until in the nighttime.
Birthday girl. You know what? Happy birthday, youngin'. Wish you many, many more. LA would not be the same without you. And Ziggy would.
Come again. Down. One more time. Up. Yeah. Down. All right. Up.
To me, Erica's sense of humor and compassion make every day 1,000 times brighter.
Fuck it up, it's your birthday, baby.
And that's why she's here in Jamaica celebrating in style.
I love this one. Selfi TV.
Erica's 30th birthday was a blast, and dancing, by the way, was fantastic.
Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Okay. All right. I love that sound. Can you do this now?
So, as you can see here, Selfi TV boss and 8 beautiful queens, among 2 of my brothers from another mother, all have a good time at the Rose Villa. That's in Spring Farm, Rosa, Half Moon, Montego, Jamaica. I know she enjoyed her vacation, and she's coming back to Jamaica, the land of wood and water. Selfi TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD, and we are watch. To be continued. Stay tuned.
Watch your website. Ready? Walk like a monster. Walk like a monster. Walk like a monster.
Yeah.
Ladies.
Yes, Selfi.
Please wake up from 6:30 for breakfast.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to my room now.
Alright.
Girls, have a good night.
Whew. It's a great one. Please, Selfi TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD. It's a happy moment, treasured moment, and everything with the people. I really love it. And Erica, big up yourself every time. Thanks for having this party in Jamaica. Thanks for celebrating your day in Jamaica. So look out for more fun and everything. You know, Selfi TV. Selfi. But
Kanabis Selfi TV. And we are watch.